fave team is Tierra B, naturally, and in today's video, it is Vlogtober day 4, and I am on a roll, y'all, because I've been up since like 5:30 this morning. Yes, it's Saturday, and it is sunrise prayer at my church for Saturday, the first Saturday of every month. So my husband and I got up, and we got there by 6:01. We were supposed to be there by like 6, but we did good. It's only a minute or two late. Had an amazing hour and a half of just prayer, praise, and worship with our church family. Absolutely amazing. So full of the Holy Spirit. I'm super excited about that because God is so good, right? And then we went out to breakfast with our pastor and first lady, so that was amazing. Right now it is 11:12 a.m. and I am out doing a little bit of UberEats for a couple hours. I did get a little tired after breakfast, so I grabbed an Alani. This is the drink float flavor, and I thought it was gonna taste like, you know, those orange ice cream popsicles from when we was a kid. It tastes like that a little bit, but not quite as expected. Nonetheless, it's gonna get the job done, keep me awake, and it's got only 10 calories. And yeah, so that's that. So far I've completed one order. I got 2 on the hook right now. I'm going to this place called Twisted Fresh right now, and then I'll be going to Chicken Salad Chick here in a second. So I figured it is Vlogtober, so I'm bringing y'all along for the vlog, so let's go. Alright, so that order has been picked up. It was ready, and now I'm picking up the second order of this double order. And the good thing about that is it was literally in the same parking lot. So I'm right here in front of this place called Chicken Salad Chick. I did get me some water from Twisted Fresh. I try to get some ice water when I'm out working on the weekends, you know, just to stay hydrated. And also because it done turned hot. It was a little bit cooler this morning when I got out at like 5 something this morning. And now the sun is out, and so it's a little bit hot. I do have the air on in the car, so it's all good. And I'm kind of a hoodie girl, so I'm excited the fact that summer is pretty much wrapped up. But let's go in here and pick up the second order real quick. Alright, y'all, so just dropped that one off. That one required some walking. I had to go on a scavenger hunt to find that one, but I found it. We're in the elevator now. Good instructions, very nice apartments. Had to go up to the 4th floor and got it done. Love that. That's probably one of the hardest things about Ubering, is just finding the people, but for the most part it's all good. Most people just leave that door. It's right here. And it's like a house usually, but yeah, then I had to go through this door here. Up to the Cracker Barrel, and this one was a little bit off from what I usually would do. This is $9 for 14 miles, but I did have a few that were already like 4 miles for $8, so it balances all out. I am going to grab this real quick. And first of all, the Cracker Barrel is a really cool place to walk into, so I'm gonna show y'all. Hopefully I can get some footage. It'd be kind of busy, but it's kind of like a little store too and a restaurant. It's really cool. It's currently 12:04. I'll probably wrap it up within the next hour. My goal is to make $25 before it's time for my husband to go to the barbershop. So I'll be wrapping this up in about an hour and see how I do. If I don't hit my goal, that's completely fine. It's just something extra I like to do on the weekends because I like to serve, and who can't use a little extra few dollars, right? Anywho, let's go into Cracker Barrel. Also, tell me if you are doing Vlogtober. Tell me how it's going. Are you feeling behind? Have you made it through the first 4 days and ready to give up? Like, what's the vibes? I know for me, I just been picking up the camera, enjoying not having to overthink things too much. I mean, we rolling, right? And also, you gotta think, it's only a few minutes out of your day that you are sharing, so don't get overwhelmed with it. You know, if you're doing something, you're cooking, you're doing a project around the house, or you're running a few errands, like, take us with you. You shopping, what's in your cart? Like, we want to see, right? So don't be intimidated if you haven't started yet and you don't know if you want to get into it. Look, it's still early. Go on and start today. Okay, let's go on and start today. Pick up the camera. Matter of fact, after this video, go ahead and record your video. Y'all, yesterday I was on a roll. I recorded like 4 videos yesterday. I know, right? That's one thing you can do as well, is batch record. So record different segments of your day and piece it up and chop it up for day 5, 6, 7, 8 of Vlogtober. Okay, don't make it harder on yourself than it has to be. Okay, now let's go get this order. Alright y'all, so I'm about to wrap up this vlog. It's currently 1:06 p.m. and I am done Ubering for now. I might go back a little bit later after my husband goes to the barbershop and comes back, or I might just stay home and chill and get some editing done, because we have to be intentional about our time while doing this Vlogtober challenge. But I did pretty good. I made about $40. All the tips haven't came through just yet, but once I did the calculation, it should be about $40 that I did not have before. So super grateful for that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for now. I've got lots of videos to edit and just want to kind of stay ahead of the game here with this challenge. I do recommend that for you all as well. Try to schedule out some content so that if a day comes where you're running behind, you want to have something to already be scheduled. And we're talking full videos or shorts, and if it really comes down to it, just do a community post so that you can stay active with the community. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to join the faith team. You know, we're all about empowering one another and supporting each other while increasing our faith in the Lord. That's what we do. Build each other up and we stay connected. But all right, y'all, I hope you have an amazing, blessed day. Listen, I'm Tiara B, and that's me naturally. Blessings.